Verse 4. Unnamed and named are from the same thing, only their callings are different. Both are very inscrutable, and in the inscrutable there is a deeper inscrutability, and they are the beginning of all wonderful phenomena in the world. Phrase 1 of verse 4. Unnamed and named are from the same thing, only their callings are different. The unnamed and named refer to the same thing. The unnamed is the body of the universe, which is pure and ethereal. The named is the result of the evolution of the universe, which is colorful and endless. These two characteristics are both very mysterious. They are the most mysterious among the mysterious, and they are the starting point of all the mysterious. The function of a substance and the properties of a substance essentially refer to the same thing, but from different perspectives. This phrase is relatively easy to understand. For example, one of Confucius' names is Chu, another name is Zhang Ni. Lu Xun also has a name called Zhou Shu Ren. Both refer to the same person, just by different names. However, there are certain conditions for the choice of using these names. Chu is the nickname of Confucius, which is generally used only when he is a child. Zhou Shu Ren is Mr. Lu Xun's real name, and Lu Xun is his pen name. Named and unnamed refer to the same thing, and both refer to that thing that existed in the universe before all things started to appear. In the beginning, it had no name and was called unnamed. Later it had a name and was called named. The situation is like the situation when a baby is born. He is just a chubby baby. At this moment, the baby has no name. Then the parents or grandparents give the child a name, and the child has a name, called John, Frank, Helen, and so on. Whatever the name, the child as a person has not changed. The named and unnamed can also be transformed into each other. For example, trees absorb nutrients from the soil and gradually grow green leaves. In autumn or winter, the green leaves are detached from the tree and become soil again after being decomposed. The green leaves have names when they are on the branches, and they have no names when they become the soil. This is the transformation from named to the unnamed. When the nutrients of the soil are absorbed by the trees, in the next spring the trees will regerminate green leaves, and this is the transformation from unnamed to named. Human beings come from dust and eventually return to dust, and they go through the same process.